Some truck engines struggle to reach 200,000 miles, but mechanics keep seeing one Silverado engine still running after 300,000 miles. In fact, many mechanics say they regularly see these engines still running smoothly long after 300,000 miles. And the surprising part is that thousands of Silverado owners may already be driving one of these engines today. The engine mechanics keep talking about is the legendary 5.3-liter V8 used in millions of Chevrolet Silverado trucks. For more than 2 decades, this engine has powered Silverado trucks across the United States. And over time, mechanics across the country started noticing something unusual about these engines. Silverado trucks with extremely high mileage arriving at the shop with their original engines still running smoothly. Many owners report reaching 200,000 miles with basic maintenance and routine service. And 300,000 miles on the 5.3 engine is far more common than many people expect. Our poder in all fairness. But occasionally, mechanics see something even more impressive. A Silverado with the original 5.3 V8 still running strong after 400,000 miles. So why does this particular engine last so long compared with many others? One reason is the relatively simple, naturally aspirated V8 design used in the 5.3 engine.
Unlike many modern engines, it avoids extreme turbo pressure and overly complicated systems.
Fewer stress components means less heat, less pressure, and fewer internal failures over time. Chevrolet engineers also tune the engine conservatively, allowing it to operate comfortably without constantly pushing mechanical limits. That approach helped the 5.3 develop a reputation for long-term durability. And Silverado owners across the country have been proving that reputation correct for years. Many of these trucks are still on the road decades later, and thousands of owners continue driving them every day, which is exactly why so many mechanics still trust the 5.3 engine. It built its reputation not through marketing, but through real trucks surviving hundreds of thousands of miles. If you own a Silverado equipped with a 5.3 engine, and there's a good chance you are driving one of the most proven truck engines ever built. And with proper maintenance, many of these engines continue running strong for decades. Now we're curious about something. What year is your Silverado and how many miles are on it right now? Some owners report 300,000 miles or more on their trucks. So comment below and tell us how far your Silverado has really gone.